What up trainers, and welcome back to the channel. Today is part 3 of a 3-part series of opening Rebel Clash pre-release kits. So this is the final video from this series, and we are going to open 5 more pre-release kits from Rebel Clash. Here is the case empty. I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not, but just let me put it here to the side. And guys, let's open the first one up. The last video we pulled so many good pulls in the part 2, but everything, almost everything, was a double pull. And in the same video, what was even more funnier. Here we got the Luxray, and I already said in the last video, the codes for this pre-release promo cards I'm going to give away on my Instagram, so go follow me there. The link will be in the description down below. Water Energy, Tranquil, Medicham, Morgram, Roly-Coly, Applin, Patina, Magikarp, Meditite, a reverse Scoop Up Net, and a Garbodor regular rare. So no first pack magic for us today, guys, but we are not losing our fate to pull a golden secret rare again. Charjabug, Skuntank, Full Heal, Coughing, Impidimp, Shinx, Sandygast, Roly-Coly, Wallaby, Seismitoad, reverse rare. Guys, if you're interested, you can also watch the first 2 videos from this series. We had amazing pulls, so go check it out. The videos will be in the eye. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Leaf Energy, Corkle, Heatmore, Xatu, Galarian Meowth, Caterpie, Galarian Corsola, Lidwick, Shinx, a reverse Arrokuda, this is a new one, and a Rillaboom V. Nice! Nice! Our second starter V card from this set, I think, but it's at least the second one. And now the last pack from the first pre-release kit. The code 1, 2, 3, and 4. Electric Energy, Palpitoad, Scoop Up Net, Chatot, Drippy, Magmar, Galarian Yamask, Surskit, Stufful, a reverse Magmar, and a Toxtricity. It's a regular rare, but I love this artwork. Nice. In the first we had just 1 V pull, but we are going to move on. We have 4 more pre-release kits to go. Luxray, to get the code for the Luxray, just follow me on Instagram. Code 1, 2, 3, and 4. Electric, Tranquil, Sonia, Pelipper, Galarian Yamask, Surskit, Stufful, Coughing, Impidimp, a reverse Pelosand. I always think this is a reverse rare or a rare card. I think in Sword and Shield or Cosmic Eclipse it's a rare card, that's why. And Unfezant, regular rare. Unfezant. Let's go. It's a code. Fighting Energy, Turffield Stadium, Carkol, Hatrim, Meditite, Milcery, Growlithe, Impidimp, Bunnelby, a reverse rare Appleton, amazing, and a Barbaracle. Amazing name, guy. Love it. Let's move this away and move on. It's a code card and Steel Energy, Medicham, Pokeball, Pelipper, Meditite, Grubbin, Electabuzz, Natu, Honedge, a reverse Tranquil, and a Seismitoad regular rare. Now the last pack from the second pre-release kit. 4 to the front. Water Energy, Morpeko, Capacious Bucket, Horror Energy, Binacle, Galarian Darumaka, Vulpix, Milcery, Galarian Farfetch'd, a reverse Galarian Mask, and a Chandelure holographic. Okay. A holo pull is always good. But overall, 2 pre-release kits, 1 holo and 1 VMAX V card could be much better. And we can do much better. And we will do much better. I promise. Garbodor. Next 4 packs. So let's go. Here's a code card. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fire Energy, Heliolisk, Burning Scarf, Indeedee, Trubbish, Helioptile, Honedge, Litwick, Galarian Corsola, a reverse Sandygast, and a Greedent regular rare. I don't know what to think, to be honest. I think the pulling rates from this Rebel Clash set are not that good. I mean, Sword and Shield base was much better, I think. What do you think, actually? Tell me in the comment section below. But I'm almost certain that that's the case. Vulpix, Coughing, Shinx, Applin reverse, and a Aegislash regular rare. Let's move on. We are exactly halfway through. Here's a code card. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I mean, the luck is not the best right now. Natu, Barboach, Skuet, Applin, Timpole, reverse Oleana, very nice, and a Hatterene holo. But we had a green code card. How is that possible? Hatterene, whatever, very nice. The next pack. Code 2, 3, and 4. Water Energy, Hawlucha, Indeedee, Charjabug, Snover, Natu, Trubbish, Pidove, Helioptile, reverse Hatina, and a Sigilyph regular rare, even though it was a white code card. How is that possible? Until now, it was always right. The green codes were regulars, and with the white codes we had holo or better. But with these 2 packs it was the other way around for some reason. Luxury again. See what we got in the packs. Code. It's a white one. I hope that doesn't mean it's gonna be a regular rare. Electrode. Tool Scrapper. Guys, I think I saw something. It's gonna be amazing. Growlithe. Dreepy. The reason why I got this pre-release boxes. Bunnelby and Big Charm! Yes! Yes! Big Charm secret rare, guys! We got it! Yeah! Amazing! What an incredible pull! Incredible! Look at that! Beautiful pull. Now we got already 3 secret rare golden cards from this set, guys. With only opening pre-release kits. This is incredible. A secret rare Big Charm. Nice. Nice. Amazing. Can we go more? I really hope so. I really do. Nice. Fire Energy. Indeedee. Charjabug. Metapod. Vulpix. Phantom. Galarian Farfetch'd. Squirtle. Galarian Mr. Mime. A reverse rare Trevenant. And a regular rare Trevenant. Nice. Wow, we pulled the golden secret rare, guys. And I already saw it from behind. These golden secret rares are looking so good. The shine is real. You almost see them through the cards. It's amazing. Psychic Energy. Lombre. Galar Mine. Durant. Coughing. Bronzor. Toxel. Litwick. Lotad. A reverse Kyla. An Aegislash. Regular rare. Now the last pack from this pre-release kit. It's a code. 4 to the front. And Steel Energy. Turffield Stadium. Lombre. Hawlucha. Bronzor. Toxel. Applin. Galarian Darumaka. Bunnelby. A reverse Morgrem. And a Milotic V! Yes! Nice! Wow. Milotic is such a beautiful Pokemon. Look at that. Beautiful. I love it. Nice. Okay, this pre-release kit box was without question the best one yet. Nice. Now we're ripping in the last kit. And we got a Colossal promo. And the last 4 packs, guys. Is it going to happen again? Are we going to pull another golden secret rare? Wouldn't that be amazing? But we still have a chance. It's quite possible. Milo, Turffield Stadium, Lombre, Natu, how do you do? Barboach, Squirtle, Applin, Timpole, a Trubbish, reverse, and a Chandelure holo. And it was again a green code card. Chandelure, we pulled it already. So it's a double. Next pack. It was a white card. White code card right now. But we still can't tell what we're gonna pull because it's sometimes switched. Drippy, Snover, a reverse nose pass, and a Diggersby regular rare. Why is this happening sometimes? Are they trying to confuse the weight when someone weight the cards? So you can tell? Maybe. Makes sense. Now this was the second to last pack, guys. Speed Energy, Pelipper, Palo Sand, Magikarp, Meditite, Stunky, Grubbin, Wingull, Dracloak, reverse. Now there should be a holo, I think. No, Whiscash, regular rare. Guys, here we have the Toxtricity VMAX for the last pack. And we're hoping for the last pack magic, baby! Let's see. Is it going to happen? Was a green code card. And we have a Leaf Energy, a Tranquil, Horror Psychic Energy, Heatmore, Roly-Coly, Stunky, Clefairy, Voltorb, Nosepass, a Doublade, reverse, and a Galarian Runerigus regular rare. Guys, overall, I think we managed to pull really amazing cards. Let's do a little recap. Let's see here the holos, these cards. Very nice. We have one Chandelure, Heatran, Chandelure again. We have a Milotic V, a Rillaboom V, and a secret rare golden big charm. This card is really beautiful. I love it. Look at that. Amazing. And now that would be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you didn't already, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!